Today we start the first theorem of the triangle, that is basic proportionality theorem. In previous video I already explained that Rorschach's theorem, that is if a line parallel drawn to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in a distinct point, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. This theorem is also called Thess theorem. So now we see the proving of basic proportionality theorem or first theorem of triangle. Let's see. So the theorem is, in any triangle, suppose the triangle ABC, a line drawn parallel to base of the triangle. Suppose that PQ parallel to BC. So we want to prove that these parallel line divide this and this sides in the same ratio. That means AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. As a theorem, we want to prove them. Some construction for the theorem, because without construction, theorem is not done. And then we start the proof or solution. So for this theorem, we take all the parts in triangles and find the area. Just like if you want AP as a base, so you know area of triangle half into base into height, but a base here, so height here. A base here, so height here. Means base into corresponding height. So same here, if you take base AP, AP is the part of this triangle APQ. So half into AP base. So what is height? From the opposite vertex, so AP opposite vertex is Q. So from Q, we draw a perpendicular line on AP, suppose that QM. So construction QM perpendicular on AB. QM on AB, QM M on AP, or QM on PB. Because baseline is same, so height is same for all the triangle. Means if I say so this base height this base again height this base again height this. Why? Because this base, so opposite vertex is this, perpendicular distance from this is outside of a triangle. Just like so, this is the base, so height, this is the height. Okay, so same process here. This height is QM upon we want to PB. So PB is the part of which triangle? Nothing. So for joining QB, we get the triangle PBQ or PQB. So join BQ other construction. So half base PB and height same, opposite vertex is Q, so height is QM. QM cancel, half cancel, area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQB is equal to AP upon PB, equation number 1. Then this is the left part of the proving. Then we take the right part. Same process for AQ. Area of triangle APQ, same, because AQ is part of triangle APQ, and height, because AQ opposite vertex is P. Then half, base and height upon area of triangle PQC, because we want QC base, so the same process join PC. So this triangle base QC, opposite vertex P, so height PN. Half QC and PN, half cancel, PN cancel. So what's remain? AQ upon QC. Okay, so here you get the left part and right parts ratio, AP upon PB and AQ upon QC, but we want to combine them. If you want to combine them, both right part equal, so left part equal. So check them here. Area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQB, and here area of triangle APQ is same, but in denominator area of triangle PQC, and here PQB. Are these two triangles are equal? Let's see. PQB, PQC on same base between same pie lines, so they are equal in area in class 9 theorem. So you can say area of triangle PQC is equal to area of triangle PQB on same base PQ between PQ parallel to BC. Same base between same pie line, so triangles are equal in area. So in place of PQC, replace this. So area of triangle APQ, area of triangle PQB is equal to AQ upon QC, same. Then from equation first and second, if you see the equation second and first, here both left sides are equal, so its right sides are also equal. Hence proved. And all 6 remaining BPT we already proved in previous video. Same things. PB upon AP is equal to QC upon AQ. Reciprocal them, and the AP upon AB is equal to AQ upon AC. Then PB upon AB is equal to QC upon AC, and the reciprocal them both. AB upon AP is equal to AC upon AQ, AB upon PB, AC upon QC. So these two are we proved by adding 1 to both sides in previous video. So they all are 6 BPT. Main BPT is this. That's approving. Pause video, note down. Let's see the next theorem, that is converse of basic proportionality theorem. Is the reciprocal, means converse of BPT. In BPT, what's the BPT? What's BPT? A line drawn parallel to base of triangle, so ratio equal. Means if PQ parallel to BC, then this. But is converse of BPT. You have to read them question. If a line divide the two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then this line must be parallel to third side. Means suppose this is a triangle ABC. If any line PQ, if in triangle ABC, AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. So PQ is parallel to BC. Means in BPT, line parallel, so ratio equal. But in converse of BPT, ratio equal, so line parallel. Just opposite. So same. This is the given part. This is the proving part. Some construction. So let's see how we prove that converse of basic proportionality theorem. This theorem is proved by assumption method, conjunction method. Suppose let PQ is not parallel to BC. So PM parallel to BC. Then we construct them. PM parallel to BC. Okay? Solution. Approving. In triangle ABC, PM parallel to BC. So can we use basic proportionality theorem? What? AP by PB is equal to AM by MC. Because line parallel, so ratio equal. That's a by basic proportionality theorem. Because PQ is not parallel to BC, we suppose that. But PM is parallel to BC. When PM parallel to this, then for this, it is a given part. AP by PB is equal to AQ by QC. This is given. So from first, second equation, if you see them, from first and second, AM by MC is equal to AQ by QC. Add 1 to both sides. AM by MC plus 1, AQ by QC plus 1. Take the LCM. MC cancel, 1M, 1AM. 1 into divide by MC, MC into 1. QC cancel, 1 into AQ. 1 divided by QC, the QC into 1. So AM plus MC, according to figure, AM plus MC, that's form AC. AQ plus QC is also form AC. AC cancel. QC and MC multiply by 1. So QC is equal to MC. If you see the figure, CQ and CF both are equal. So how it is possible from same starting point, two lines equal? So how it's possible these two are different points? Means there is contradiction, because QC is equal to MC. So Q and M are same point, because distance equal from C to Q and C to M equal, mean distance equal. So from CM, CQ end point same. So M and Q are coincide. M and Q are same point or coincide. Therefore, PQ is parallel to BC. This is the converse of basic proportionality theorem. This theorem last year come in board examination, so it's also important, and some theorems are deducts from your syllabus. So this theorem is very important. This theorem, PPT and non-PPT. So pause video, note down.